Yo, what's up? What's happening? What's going on in the world today? I don't know why. I'm like this, but it's an affliction and it is lifelong. But anyways, so I hope you guys are doing good today. I've got a new episode for you. I got this Christmas mold for ornaments, that you hang on the tree or whatever. Anyways, the different thing about this mold is that it's supposed to be holographic, and I don't know if it really is or not, because when you look at it, you can't really tell. So we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. I did get it on Amazon, and I think it was like $10, and it's 3 different ornaments in one mold. All right, so let's jump on in, see what happens. Okay, I got this new mold for Christmas ornaments, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's supposed to be holographic. We're gonna find out. So since there's 3 molds, we're gonna do 3 different types of resin as far as color. We're gonna do this one here. This first one will just be regular clear resin, and I've already got that mixed up. So here we go. Okay. Looks good. And then for the next one, we will do just a little bit of iridescent glitter. So hold on, let me grab it. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and put a little bit in here. It's actually probably way too much resin for what we're doing. All right, go ahead and put that in here. And then in this last one, I've got I have some of these teal flakes that I just used in a project previously. So, why not? We'll just throw those in there and see what we get. Okay, well, looks like we're gonna have to spread them out a little bit. But that's all right, because we're gonna add some more. Okay. So I'm gonna bring the camera closer so you can see. Okay, so this is the one with the teal flakes. This one is the iridescent glitter. And then this one is just plain. And I'm doing that because I want to see if these are really holographic or just bullshit. All right, so we're gonna wait our 24 hours. We'll come back and check it out, see what we got. You guys, I gotta tell you something. All right, so you know those emperor penguins that live in the Arctic? So it gets really cold there, right? Like -40 and sometimes colder. So the water is even colder, right? These penguins don't give a flying shit. They get in there and they get their food and they live their lives like it's nothing. But here's the thing. Did you know how deep they can dive? I did not know this, but they can dive up to 1,755 feet. Feet! That is a long ass way down. And it's freezing ass cold in there. Isn't that crazy? Man, nature is something. Okay, everybody, today is the day. It is our big reveal of our snowflake ornaments. And I am super freaking excited for this because I have really been wondering how it's gonna turn out. Okay, look, it's raining out. Fifi's pissed off, so she's gonna probably be letting us know how she feels on this episode. Oh shit, on this episode. So I should probably apologize for that. Okay, here we go. You ready? Ooh. Oh. Okay, that's all right because look, those other little pieces just break right off. But yo. I think that's cute as shit. Do you guys like it? You know, and then like right here is the little hole so you can put your hook there. Dude. Okay, all right, let's move on to the next one. So this will be the iridescent glitter. Okay, well, you know what? I have to take a razor blade or what have you and go through here because I overfilled. But I still think it's cute. And there's the little hole. So, all right, on this next one, we should be able to tell if it's holographic or not. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let me hold it up to the light. Oh shit, yeah, dude. It is holographic. Oh man, okay. Can you see it? Yeah. You see that? Oh shit. It is on this side too, but I can't make the light do it again. Well, okay, you know what? That might have been a sign. Did you guys hear that? That was one of my crystals just falling out of my freaking window. But anyways, yeah, so that's it, you guys. We've got these ornaments. And I love them. All right. Thank you guys again so much for coming. I hope you will subscribe and like and share and comment and all that good stuff. And stick around for the next one.